Hello, everyone, and welcome to Canteen Cup. My name is Scott. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. And I hope everybody is preparing in a nice way for Christmas. I know we are. We're looking for the peace that Christmas often brings us. Today, I just want to give you some updates. As you can see here, I've got my tractor, and since I last talked about it, I've added a set of forks. But some of the things I wanted to talk about are modifications I made to the attachment itself. If you look at the ends of my forks, I have two holes in them, and I had to take this to a welder, and they use their cutting torch to cut holes in those. Now, why did I do that? Well, I learned a long time ago when I was in the industrial trades that if you cut a hole in your forklift blades or your forklift forks, you can also use it to lift things. So I had that done here. It cost me, I think, $20. And now I can take a piece of chain, thread some chain through that, and I can use my forks to actually pick up things, to like lift things. I can pick up like an engine block or anything else where I don't have to lift it myself. Also, too, as you can see, let me go sideways so you get a better idea. The header is a pretty good size header, and that way I can load logs on there and stack them up, and then I can take a piece of chain or even a piece of rope and thread it between the holes in the front of the fork to the back of the header, and then I can carry logs wherever I want to, and I can carry more than just a couple that way. So that is one of the modifications I made to my attachments. Another one I made is I just had this done is I had hooks attached to the front of my bucket or to the top of my buckets, and this allows me to lift with my bucket also. Maybe not as much as with the forks, but for a quick grab, it's a good thing. If you notice these hooks, they're kind of like more like a slot than a round. And let me show you why that is. I know a lot of you already know this, but for those that don't, the idea behind it is so that you can feed chain through there, and it'll hold the chain, so you don't have to secure it in any way. Just tighten it up and slide it through the hook, and that'll hold it. So that's pretty much all I got going on now. I want to talk about that. And the other thing, when you talk about tractors or any type of machinery, you need to be able to take care of it. And so while I was out today, I did stop at the auto parts store, and I got some grease and a grease gun, because tractors and their attachments have lots of fittings for grease. And so a tractor, when you buy it, can last you 20 plus years. And so if you maintain it, it'll easily last that long. And when you spend that much money for a piece of machinery, take care of it. And so the cost involved is not just for the tractor itself, but it's for the attachments, it's for the modifications for the attachments, it's for the maintenance. And so make sure you keep your maintenance up on them. All right, that's all I have for today. I just got my bucket back from the welder, and I'm fixing to paint the hooks. And then I'm going to swap my forks out from my bucket, because I use my bucket more than I use the forks. That's all I got. You all stay safe and stay secure.